Alright, hey guys, Brain Nectar here, and today I got a new screen for my laptop since the old one broke. It was a Dell laptop, and Dells are notorious for having bad computer parts when they ship them out. Let's open. I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing. Oh, looks like they didn't package it too safely, but it's not cracked or anything. Alright, here's the screen. It's going to have a ribbon cable section on the bottom. It's got the 4 main screw components. About the same as the old one, same in size, so it's not the wrong size. Alright, I'm going to try to install it now. Alright, so here's the screen protector I'm going to peel off for you guys. Save that. This is the first step. Alright, once you have that, you're going to have a screwdriver. It is a PH1 or a PHO size for the screws. You want to make sure you have the right screwdriver head on there so you're not tearing apart or destroying the screws. Then, this is maybe the trickier part. Let's see. Installing this. You're going to want to insert this in here carefully. Oop, looks like they have it at an angle. This is different from my old one, but it's the same size. Put that in there very slowly. There we go, that is in. You want to lift up the... Ooh, should pull that out. I'm going to lift up the knob. A lot of people think this is like really hard to do, but once you look at the inside, you'll kind of get hints. Alright, you put that there. Let me check on this. Alright. So it looks like for mine, it looks like when they sent this over, they bent the metal tabs a little bit, but we're able to bend them back. Okay. They said this was... Alright. That might work. Well, here. Could have bent them a little bit. It could have been when they were shipping it to me, it could have bent the metal a little bit. We can bend that back. See if that goes. Alright, that's much better. Then I'm going to do a test powered on.